Okay, in this short video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a POP3 account inside of your Gmail account. And as you can see here, I'm already logged into my Gmail account, so it should look very similar to this for you. The first thing you want to do after you get to this point in your Gmail account is to come up to the upper right-hand corner and click on this gear, and then go down to See All Settings right here. Then from here, we want to go to Accounts and Import, which is the fourth one over from the left. The next thing you want to do, and you'll see here that I've got my main account here, and then I've added another one to my Gmail account, but we're going to add yours here just for the sake of this tutorial. So you want to come down here and click on Add Another Email Address, and this is so that you can send mail as client care. So you come up here, and I would probably put client care, maybe, and then, KBC. You can put your name there. Whatever you want to put there is fine to identify you to whoever you're sending emails to and corresponding with. Or you can leave it, generic like this, or you could put KBC in your name, or however you want to handle that. And then you'll put in your full qualifying email address, which is going to be clientcare@kenbowlingconstruction.com. And you want to make sure to check the spelling. It's very important. It's kind of like a phone number. If you get one character off, then it's not going to work. So I'm checking this, and it looks like everything's correct. And it's okay to leave that as a default, treat as an alias. And then we're going to click on Next Step. Here we're going to set a few things. This is for your outgoing SMTP server. So at the beginning of this, you want to put in mail and then a dot. So this line next to SMTP server says mail.kenbowlingconstruction.com. And you're going to be using port 465. And then the username, again, is going to be the full qualifying email address. We're going to put in clientcare@kenbowlingconstruction.com. And again, check the spelling for that. The password is going to be the one that we assigned you. So I put that in there. And it's case sensitive, by the way. And then the default is secured connection using SSL, which is recommended, and I say yes, keep it there. Come down here to Add Account, and then it says congratulations, so we know that that's all set up and ready to go. Now the next step is we need to be able to check mail. This is so that you can send mail. We've already set that up, but now we have to come down here, down towards the middle of the page, where it says check mail from other accounts, and you'll want to click on Add a Mail Account. And so we'll come in here, and we're going to put in client care at kenbowlingconstruction.com, and again, check the spelling. Everything looks good. Click on Next. And then you'll want to leave the default here. The bottom radio button checked. It says import emails from other account POP3. Click on Next. And again, it has to have that whole qualifying email address in there. So we want to put clientcare@kenbowlingconstruction.com again. Check your spelling. The password again, which is the same one we assigned you. And then for the port setting, make sure that this says mail in front of it, which it does here. But if it didn't, always put mail dot in front of kenbowlingconstruction.com. Port setting for this is going to be 995 for your POP3 server. And then come down here and select this second checkbox, which says always use a secure connection, SSL, when retrieving mail. And then you can label the incoming messages. So I would do that so that if you're checking it through an existing Gmail account where you've got one or more Gmail accounts that you're checking, you'll be able to identify the ones that are coming in for client care at kenbowlingconstruction.com. Just those two check marks, leave the top one and the bottom one blank, and then select Add Account. And you're done. And you can see down here it says checking mail. If there's any email in there, it's going to bring it into the inbox, and you should be good to go. Thanks, and have a great day.